If you are planning on buying a house, be prepared to pay 15% more. The median price for a house is now a record $407,600, according to the National Association of Realtors. When you increase the price of something this high, of course, people won't be able to afford it. So it's not surprising that home sales slid 3.4% from April to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 5.4 million in May, compared to 5.9 million 1 year ago. We can expect sales to go down in the coming months as interest rates continue to go up. With the Federal Reserve hiking interest rates 3 times this year, mortgage rates have doubled to 6% from a near record low of 3% at the end of last year, curbing home buying demand and driving up the cost. We can safely say that the Fed is achieving what they set out to do. They want to stop people from buying. National Association of Realtors chief economist Lawrence Yun said that home sales are back to pre-pandemic levels. This is disheartening news to those who have been working on buying their own home. Forbes reported that the increase in interest rates and home prices pushes up the average mortgage by more than $500. If you are squeezing your monthly expenses to save up for a down payment and eventually a mortgage, you will need to do way better. Time magazine said, even if price increases slow, it will not trigger home buying. Sales are slowing down simply because people cannot afford to buy a new home. They either stay where they are or have to consider buying a smaller home or moving further from their target neighborhoods. The safe choice might seem to be sticking with renting, and that is not the case either. The more that people rent, the more rents will go up. So here's my question. Are we really solving any problems with the increase in interest rates? Or is this an unavoidable step toward economic stability? Instead of talking about what we cannot do, it's better to think of what opportunities come from our current situation. After all, just because we cannot afford to buy something doesn't mean that we can't build our wealth in other ways. You will never be able to build your wealth thinking like and behaving like a victim. How are you re-strategizing your portfolio and investments? Let me know in the comment section below. This is Risk Flex for Noble Gold Investments.